Hello everyone. Today's tutorial will guide you to create your first Python program in PyCharm IDE. Open PyCharm editor. You can see the introductory screen for PyCharm. To create a new project, click on Create New Project. You will need to select a location. You can select the location where you want the project to be created. If you don't want to change location, then keep it as it is, but at least change the name from Untitled to something more meaningful, like First Project. Next, click the Create button. Now go up to the File menu and select New. Next, select Python file. A new pop-up will appear. Now type the name of the file you want. Here we give Hello World, and hit OK. Now type a simple program, print, Hello World. Now go up to the Run menu and select Run to run your program. You can see the output of your program at the bottom of the screen. We have successfully made our first Python project. Now let us see how comment looks like in Python programming. A comment is text that doesn't affect the outcome of a code. It is just a piece of text to let someone know what you have done in a program or what is being done in a block of code. This is especially helpful when someone else has written a code and you are analyzing it for bug fixing or making a change in logic. By reading a comment, you can understand the purpose of code much faster than by just going through the actual code. There are two types of comments in Python, single-line comment and multiple-line comment. In Python we use #special character to start the comment. Let's take few examples to understand the usage. This is just a comment. Anything written here is ignored by Python. To have a multi-line comment in Python, we use triple single quotes at the beginning and at the end of the comment, as shown here. This is a multiple-line comment. In this Python program we are seeing three types of comments: single-line comment, multi-line comment, and the comment that is starting in the same line after the code. Let's do one example. Run the program and see the output. You will not see the comment in the output. It is for the programmer to know what you have done in the program and does not affect the outcome of a code. That's all for today. Hope you understood this tutorial. Subscribe for more videos. We'd like to hear from you too. If you have any questions or feedback, please comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.